Hi, I'm Tamara from the EFT Training Centre, and in this video I'm going to show you how to tap on inner peace and relaxation. If you haven't done EFT before, it stands for Emotional Freedom Technique. It's also called tapping, and it's like acupuncture for emotions without the use of needles. So the invitation is simply to do what I do and say what I say, and if you don't like what I do or say, then simply don't do it. But if you tap along with me today, you agree to take responsibility for your own well-being. Even though I don't feel as peaceful and calm as I want to be, I acknowledge what I do feel right now without judgment. Even though I'm experiencing situations that are stopping me from feeling peaceful and calm, I choose to recognize what's within my control and let go of the rest. Even though I don't feel as peaceful and calm as I'd like to be, I'm open to the possibility of infusing acceptance into how I'm feeling right now. Acknowledging all the reasons I'm not feeling calm and peaceful right now. I want to let go of all the reasons I'm not feeling calm and peaceful right now. And I'm acknowledging the parts of me that are stuck and holding on. And I'm sending compassion to those parts of me. I'm acknowledging the parts of me that are feeling peaceful right now. I'm acknowledging the parts of my life that do feel peaceful right now. And I'm acknowledging the parts of my body that do feel peaceful right now. And I choose to connect with Bluebell, calm and peaceful energy. Opening my heart to Bluebell, calm and peaceful energy. And radiating blue, calm and peaceful energy into the rest of my body. Every cell, atom and molecule, and every fibre of my being. Radiating Bluebell, calm and peaceful energy out around me. Above and below me. To my sides, in front and behind me. Sending calm and peaceful Bluebell energy back through my past. Healing any memories and experiences that needed it. Infusing calming and peaceful Bluebell energy into every aspect of my life today. My health, my relationships, my finances, my home, my work, and anything else that comes to mind. Radiating an abundance of calming and peaceful blue energy into every aspect of my future, with magic and miracles. And say transform, and take a deep breath. Transform.